there, Meredith here from artsandclassy.com. I'm so happy you're here today because I get to share a project that I have never done before. You may associate home bloggers with like wreaths for front doors are such a huge deal. They're such a big thing for so many home bloggers, DIY home bloggers. It's endless. Well, I've never made one until now. I'm really excited to share this with you. I had a company called SureBonder send me a wonderful glue gun. Every DIY blogger or home blogger is gonna be like, one of my staples in my project is my glue gun. So I'm excited to share that with you today. I never knew construction grade hot glue guns or hot glue sticks existed. This was new to me. So I wanted to thank SureBonder for sponsoring this post and this project and this video, and for sending me a new great tool that I get to use for so many future projects. I want to share with you the wreath that I decided to make today. That was the project I decided to do, and it's a farmhouse focused themed wreath. I don't know, I'm on a farmhouse kick right now, and I just think it has such a beautiful elegance to it. I feel like it could fit any season, so I decided to kind of make more of a all-season wreath. So stay tuned for this project. I can't wait to share with you the starting point to the end because I'm just so excited. All right, enjoy. So what did you think of the project? I am obsessed with how the florals look and how real they look, even though they're artificial. It's amazing to me how real some artificial florals can look. I am linking in the description below how you can get your Shore Bonder hot glue gun. I could not have done this project without it, and how to get the glue sticks, as well as how to get any of the florals that I used for this project. They'll all be in the description below, so make sure you check that out. You can also find this project on Home Talk, so thank you Home Talk for also being a part of the sponsorship. And you can also find it on my website, so I'll link to my blog post below as well. So I hope you enjoyed this project today. Please let me know in the comments below what your favorite part was. If you want to see more wreath projects like this one today, and if you have any feedback for me, I'm open to it. I would love to hear what you guys want to see more of, because I am here for you. So please make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this project. Subscribe if you are interested in learning more and seeing more videos from me, as well as the bell notification. Make sure you click that so you get notified when I post new projects. All right, I hope you have a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next video.